So hi guys, it's me Dipankar and welcome to my Safarnama. So it's been a long I haven't posted any video. So let's take you to a resort. Let's visit it.
So the trip begins by taking public transportation from our Tejpur town. We are moving towards Koliabor for bus. Moving towards final destination. I am not showing each and every route because you just Google the place and you will get the route as per your location.
So we haven't reached our destination, moving towards Mandu. So walking for a long time. It's been 600 meters from main road. Walking towards Mandu. It's summer and we are walking. Yeah, so I got a poster. Okay, we need to go down. By the way, the view is nice. Mainly, we are in the hilltop. Yeah, that's why the location is pretty much beautiful, clean. Wow. So, after a hunting, we finally reached our destination, Mandu Resort. So, let's move in. So we are walking inside the Mandu Resort. Literally it's located in the hillock. Yeah. It's in the lap of nature.
So, as you all can see the restaurant's dining area. And this is the open dining. As we walked up and down to reach here, really, the stomach is growling. Searching for a whole full meal, we ended up ordering biryani. The taste is good and flavorful. By the way, food here is at reasonable rate. After refueling our stomach, we are moving towards adventure activity zone. And this resort is pinpointly located at Golaghat district's Kohora region, named as Bogori Juri.
Show you what are available here. So this is it. Campsite, 300-meter ahead, zip lining, commando net, archery, air gun, Burma bridge, bait fishing.
Honestly speaking, till now, for me this is the biggest resort property I have been to, nearby our town. If you are not willing to stay here, you can simply visit the place and enjoy the food here with nature's ambience. By the way, the environment is family friendly. That's all for today. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos.